Welcome to this video on relational calculus. We will explore the declarative mathematical foundation that powers modern database query languages. Database retrieval has shifted from procedural steps to declarative goals. While relational algebra focuses on the how, relational calculus allows users to specify the what. First-order predicate logic is the mathematical DNA of the relational model, introduced by Dr. Edgar F. Codd to express queries as clear, logical conditions. Every query follows a universal structure, a variable, a divider, and a predicate. We also use existential and universal quantifiers to define our cert. Calculus divides into two logical pathways: tuple relational calculus, or TRC, which looks at entire rows, and domain relational calculus, or DRC, which evaluates specific attribute values. TRC evaluates entire records. It is highly intuitive and closely mirrors standard SQL syntax, making it a powerful tool for database operations. In this example of TRC, we isolate complete student records where the age attribute is greater than 20. Domain relational calculus, or DRC, focuses on individual fields. While it offers extreme mathematical precision, it is often less intuitive than TRC. Here, DRC extracts a specific name by pinpointing the roll number and age attributes, demonstrating its capability for high precision. Comparing these paradigms, we see that TRC targets entire rows while DRC targets single values, offering different balances of readability and complexity. System integrity relies on query safety. We must guarantee a finite number of results, otherwise we risk system failure from infinite loops. This slide acts as a Rosetta Stone, showing how both TRC and DRC formulas translate directly into the modern SQL code we use today. Relational calculus powers core engine features like SQL design, modeling, verification, and the sophisticated query optimization engines used in modern systems. To summarize, relational calculus provides declarative power, offers two distinct logical flavors, and serves as the essential DNA of modern SQL.